Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Here's another great looking snack that I picked up from Dollar Tree. This is called Smart Fries. Made by the smart people. Y'all know I do some smart snacks. This has zero everything, I guess. Zero artificial flavors, zero artificial trans fat, zero cholesterol. Alright, this is white cheddar cheese. Smart fries. Alright, I picked these up for Dollar Tree for $1. Alright, I was just curious about what they taste like. Have any of y'all had them before, you know? Just curious. Alright, so let's go bust it through and see what they working with. Here we go. I'm just curious about these chips, you know. Show you guys what they look like. Don't really look like a whole lot. That's what it look like outside the bag. So let's taste them. Those have a strong cheddar cheese smell to them. So let's see what it tastes like. Not a lot of taste. I'm looking at that thing there. Well, I don't get a whole lot of taste here. Not even a lot of cheese with these. They're decent. You get some cheese, but not a lot. They're okay, but they kind of taste faint a little. I don't know what it is. Let me hit them again. It's what it look like again. They do. Kind of look like fries. It said these are not fried or baked. They're always popped. So, on a scale 1 through 5, I'll give these a 3. 3 out of 5 for the smart fries. Y'all at Dollar Tree, give them a try. I'll give them a 3. Alright. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace. Yeah, alright.